3 sub points. Okay, yeah, you know what? Fine. Fine. We hit 100, we hit 1,000 sub points. I'll do that. That's fine. 1,000 sub points. I'll say 1,000 sub points within a year. Within 1 year from now. Clip this part. This is what we'll do. We'll do okay. So if we hit 1,000 sub points by December of 2019, 1,000 sub points by December of 2019, I'll wear a fursuit. I'll wear a fursuit on stream. For you, chat. For you, I'll wear a fursuit on stream. All right. 1,000 sub points by December 2019. There you go.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I understand. I understand that sometimes there are memes, okay? That sometimes there are memes. I understand that sometimes there are memes, okay? I understand that sometimes there are memes, but you need to look into a mirror, chat. You need to look into a mirror and understand that you have put an innocent person inside of a fursuit. You have put an innocent person inside of a fursuit, and you're gonna have to reckon with that. You're gonna have to reckon with it one day. You are gonna have to reckon with the fact one day that you have put an innocent person in a fursuit.
Oh, I finally finished all the construction on my own.
An innocent person in a fursuit.
Thousands of tears later.
Guys, I'm not feeling very good. Not feeling very good. Whew, I don't know what it was. I woke up and something happened. Something changed. Oh God. Oh God. Something is wrong. Something is so wrong. Good job. Hey, thanks. Do you want to see the nose? Check it out. Look at. Do you see it? It's a kitty cat nose for cats. I love it. You mean meow or hiss?
What do you think, Miss Harmony?
I think many
God!
things.
That's a
What?
barrel! That's a barrel!
What? What is happening? What is happening? Wait! Whoa! No! What? Stop it! What? What?
Ooh.
Huh.
Explosive barrel.
Why,
Wow.
why would...
Holy. What was that?
Show toe beans. Here are my toe beans. There's my toe beans. Not a furry. You wanted this. You wanted this, chat. You wanted this. I can't believe.
Huh.
Did you give me these fur clothes on purpose, Simon? Was this or is this on purpose? Did you do this on purpose? Are you trying to be funny, Simon?
What do you mean,
Trying to be funny? You trying to be funny with me, Simon?
Spare clothes that
Are you trying to be funny? You trying to give me the fur clothes because you think it's funny? You think this is a joke, Mr. Simon? You think this is a joke?
How's it funny, Harmony?
You think this is a joke, Mr. Simon?
And it's not Mr. Simon, it's Captain Simon, Harmony.
Oh my. Well, thank you very much for the fur clothes, Captain.
There's this box above the resource bin.
Harmony's things. Look at you. I'm
Simon,
quite touched. Very touched. Touched indeed.
I already told Sweet Tooth, but Hammer Striker needs also to start just fulfilling the order with the best cannons he makes. If you know what I mean.
The only thing in this box is skin and hair! The only thing in this box is skin. I thought they'd have my sword! Or my guns!
Do you know the boombox over here?
My glider! The only thing in this thing is hair and skin! It's just hair and skin!
I think these will go on the
So
Bane. I'm gonna swap
no
them out.
surprise we
Skin and hair. Cats. Do I get head pats? Do I get head pats? Am I the one getting these head pats? Because you can just sneak a pat. Chat. You can just sneak a pat. Sneak a pat. Please. Sneak a pat. Demand it. Demand it. Demand your Nika pats. I demand them. You will give them to me. You will give me your Nika pats. I demand them. Bad Pat! Bad Pat! Just kidding. I love you.
NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory listens to the sun. The sound it picks up is too deep for humans to hear. But if you speed up 40 days recording into a few seconds, this is what you get.
Don't get wet, kid. I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get wet, though. Don't like it. Don't like it. Stop! Stop! Don't want to get wet.
Not a furry.